Hello, cleaning enthusiasts! In today's video, we're diving into the world of convenience with the top 5 window cleaning robots of 2024. These cutting-edge devices promise to revolutionize your window cleaning chores. Join us as we dissect the features, efficiency, and smart technology behind each robot. Direct purchase links are available in the description below. Don't forget to engage with us, hit the like button, subscribe for more innovative tech reviews, and ring the bell icon for future updates. Starting at number 5, the Haoyama Robot Window Cleaner, specifically the W140 model, offers a safe, efficient, and comprehensive solution for cleaning high-rise windows. Its features cater to users looking for hassle-free, safe window cleaning. The design emphasizes safety with a 4.5-meter safety rope and anti-falling sensors. It requires a power supply, but offers a generous 4-meter extension cable, making it suitable for cleaning high-rise windows safely. With an ultra-thin body of 6.5 centimeters, it effortlessly navigates even anti-theft windows, ensuring thorough cleaning without pressure. One standout feature is its dual water sprayer system, ensuring that glass remains wet while cleaning to prevent marks. The square-shaped design covers up to 99% of the glass surface, reaching corners unattainable by hand. This robot is equipped with multi-directional anti-falling sensors, guaranteeing safety, especially during high-rise cleaning. In case of a power outage, its UPS battery kicks in, providing 20 minutes of power and alarming continuously for added safety. It's user-friendly with a wireless remote control and a one-button start. With a robust 3,000 pascals suction, it easily identifies glass surfaces and exerts strong pressure to remove stains efficiently. The fabric cloth design avoids harming the glass surface, making it versatile enough to clean frame glass, tables, and various smooth floor or wall surfaces. Overall, the Haoyama W140 Robot Window Cleaner is an ideal choice for those seeking a safe, user-friendly, and efficient solution for high-rise window cleaning, delivering a thorough and spotless finish without compromising safety. At number 4, the Chavri CL2 Window Cleaning Robot stands out for its advanced features and efficient performance, making window cleaning effortless. With an upgraded automatic water spray system that includes a spacious 55 ml tank and a fine 15 atomized water spray, this robot offers effective and precise cleaning. Whether controlled via the remote or a compatible smartphone app, it ensures user-friendly operation. Equipped with a double spiral cleaning head, it's adept at cleaning windows effectively, especially on glass surfaces of thickness over 3 millimeters and sizes above 45*45 centimeters. Impressively, it cleans 1 square meter in just 4 minutes, showcasing its efficiency, particularly on larger windows. The 3 auto-cleaning modes or manual control offer flexibility, featuring a powerful 5,600 Pa suction. This robot firmly adheres to windows, ensuring the fiber mat isn't overly wet, which can affect suction. The built-in lithium battery acts as a backup, providing an additional 20 minutes of operation in case of power outage. The safety features are comprehensive, including AI technology v2.0 for route calculation and automatic stop after cleaning. With a high-strength 4-meter lanyard, anti-fall control algorithm, and automatic edge detection, it guarantees secure cleaning. Additionally, the 1-year warranty ensures reliability and customer satisfaction. The Chavri CL2 Window Cleaning Robot excels in efficiency, safety, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a hassle-free, effective window cleaning solution with robust security measures and reliable after-sales support. At number 3, the Aber WD8 Robot Window Cleaner elevates window cleaning to a whole new level. Its innovative dual ultrasonic spray technology covers a wider cleaning area, ensuring efficient stain removal without manual intervention. The SLAM 4.0 system enables real-time route planning, navigating edges with precision and adjusting paths swiftly, delivering an impressive cleaning experience. Equipped with a German brushless motor, this cleaner offers a longer service life with reduced noise. Its 3,000 pascals strong suction power effortlessly tackles stubborn stains, ensuring firm adhesion to windows for stable, safe cleaning. The robot's smart memory feature returns it to the starting point upon completing its task, simplifying pickup. With 4 intelligent route planning options, including customized plans, it adapts to various cleaning needs. The upgrade laser sensor detects edges, preventing falls from unframed glass edges. Its ultra-thin body design reaches unlimited window washing and square corners efficiently, making it suitable for household use. Safety features include a 4-meter safety rope, a 650 mAh safety battery for power failure protection, and a 40-minute backup power to keep the robot secure on windows. The high-quality cleaning pad with a unique shape ensures effective dust removal and water absorption, reusable after machine washes. Voice guidance and mobile app control add convenience and ease to the cleaning process. Versatile, suitable for various smooth surfaces, this electric window cleaner proves essential for households seeking efficient, hassle-free cleaning solutions. The Aber WD8 robot window cleaner emerges as a versatile, efficient, and reliable cleaning solution, promising exceptional performance and safety features for hassle-free window maintenance. At number 2, the SunSmile Home Window Cleaning Robot offers a smart and hassle-free way to keep windows sparkling without the need for precarious ladders or manual effort. Its automatic cleaning feature is a boon for homeowners seeking a safe solution for tall or hard-to-reach windows. Equipped with dual wheels, this robot maneuvers smoothly across various surfaces, be it windows or walls, while the SunSmile cleaning agent ensures a gentle yet effective wipe without the risk of scratching. An intelligent water spraying system, controllable via remote or application programs, enhances its cleaning efficiency. The robot offers a choice between manual or automatic water spraying, optimizing each move for a thorough clean with minimal water consumption. Its German vacuum motor technology provides a robust vertical suction of 3.6 kilograms, firmly securing the cleaner onto glass surfaces. Additionally, the built-in AI technology detects window frames and obstacles, calculating the optimal cleaning path for maximum efficiency. Even borderless devices are accommodated, with 4 intelligent running trajectories ensuring comprehensive cleaning. Ideal for various scenarios, including framed and frameless glass, smooth floors, and bathroom walls, this robot boasts versatility. However, it's not suitable for windows with midsection gaps, skylights, or sloped surfaces. Safety features like a 5-meter safety rope and an embedded UPS, uninterruptible power supply system, add peace of mind, preventing falls in case of power outages or suction loss. Overall, the SunSmile Home Window Cleaning Robot stands out as a reliable, efficient, and safe choice for homeowners seeking a convenient solution to maintain their windows' cleanliness without compromising safety or performance. At number 1, the Chovry CL1 Window Cleaning Robot is a smart, efficient solution for maintaining spotless windows effortlessly. Equipped with an exclusive NEMS detection system, this robot employs highly sensitive bezel sensors to intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles, making it adaptable to various window sizes and shapes, ensuring comprehensive cleaning without the risk of collisions. One of its standout features is the intelligent anti-drop and power-off battery life functionality. The safety rope, supported by a lithium battery backup, prevents falls even in power outages. This additional safety measure ensures a continuous 30-minute operation to prevent the robot from falling and further secures the unit externally. The double spiral cleaning head is designed to tackle the challenge of cleaning high-rise windows effectively. With a cleaning rate of approximately 1 square meter in just 3 minutes, it efficiently handles larger windows, delivering thorough cleaning. However, it's important to note that it's best suited for smooth surfaces with a minimum thickness of 3 mm and dimensions of at least 45 x 45 stem. For less smooth surfaces, the suction efficiency might vary. Featuring a robust 5,600 PA suction power, the robot firmly adheres to windows, ensuring a secure hold during the cleaning process. This Chovry CL1 window cleaning robot offers 3 automatic cleaning settings, allowing for manual selection based on preferences. Overall, for homeowners or businesses seeking an automated, efficient window cleaning solution that prioritizes safety and performance, the Chovry CL1 stands as an excellent choice. particularly for smoother glass surfaces of adequate dimensions.